So the topic is capacitor with metallic slab. Metallic slab is conducting slab as well. So this is the first diagram which is without slab. So you can see there are two plates of the capacitor. One is positively charged, one is negatively charged. So which field is there directed from positive to negative? That will be original electric field. So that is E0. The same labeling. A is area of each plate. D is separation between the plates. E0 is original electric field which is without slab. So second diagram you can see now, capacitor with metallic slab. So as soon as you will insert the metallic slab, this is the metallic slab, what will happen? Polarization. Negative charge will develop at the end which is close to the positive. Okay, and positive charge will develop at the end which is close to the negative. So this is another field which is developed in the metallic slab, which is called induced electric field and denoted by EP. EP means electric field due to polarization or induced electric field. T is the thickness of the metallic slab. So the induced electric field is opposite to original. Original is this, E0. Induced is this, EP. So how much is left? Left is E net, which is a subtraction of induced electric field and original electric field. Original minus induced, EP is induced electric field. In metals, the magnitude of induced electric field is equal to original electric field. So they both are equal. So you can substitute here. E net will come as 0. Net E electric field net inside the metallic slab, E medium is 0. Inside the metallic slab is 0. Again using the same thing. Net potential difference will be sum of potential difference in the two regions. One is empty space, one is metallic slab. Net potential will be sum of potential in the empty space and potential in the metallic slab. Potential in the empty space will be C. E is equal to V by D. This is a general formula. This we have used. So V can be written as E into D. This is E into D. But which E? Original electric field. And how much is the empty space? D minus T. Same in metallic slab. How much is the electric field? EM. And how much is the thickness of metallic slab? T. So E in medium we have just seen that it is 0. E in metallic slab is always 0 because EP was equal to original. So subtraction was coming 0. So yeah, E medium is 0. So this term becomes 0. Next is as it is. E0 can be opened as sigma by epsilon naught. Sigma can be opened as Q by A. Q can be opened as, we know already, Q can be opened as CV. This thing. So from here V and V will be cancelled and we are ready with the expression of capacitance with metallic slab. So this is the answer, A epsilon naught divided by D minus T. So this is the expression. Now special case, when metallic slab completely covers the capacitor, then D becomes equal to T. You can substitute here D and D. So it will become 0. 1 upon 0 is infinity. So capacitance with metallic slab, completely filled with metallic slab, completely filled is important, then it's infinite.